Coral reefs are beautiful ecosystems that have 1,500 species of fish living around them. Either if it's to protect others from incoming predators or to shield land from incoming floods, the coral reef is undeniably one of the most important ecosystems with multiple tricks up their sleeve. Fortunately, coral reefs are deteriorating due to the infamous global warming. Bleaching them, extracting them from their color and properties to protect others. Remembering the use of stem cells to regrow cells, so we put one on one together and start researching. So let us get you up to speed on corals. Corals are a part of the Cnidaria phylum, where they are related to other animals such as jellyfish, which is an important factor to this project. Corals are famously known for their vibrant colors and their ability to protect other fish. Besides these known facts, coral has other major tricks such as preventing floods, storms, property damage, and erosion. Corals act as buffers and diffusers in this case. Sadly, coral is dying at alarming rates. Only 2016 and 2017 alone, the Great Barrier Reef, Australia's greatest beauty, lost 50% of its coral due to global warming and chemicals such as sunscreen. Scientists and others are in a race to find solutions to fix this problem. One consistent idea which consistently pops up is the use of stem cells. Unfortunately, stem cells are to this day not found within corals. So instead we thought of using stem cells from other animals. But we found out that it can't be any other animal. It has to be an animal that has similar traits as coral and is related to it, such as a monkey related to a human. We found another roadblock. We had to find out how we were going to dispose the bodies. We thought and thought as there was many options, and then we came to the conclusion of using a jellyfish to be our donor. Jellyfish is known to be a delicacy in most Asian countries, so there was no problem there. We could sell them to restaurants and people, and that would keep a steady flow for the farmers who work in the farm and the people who would have to extract the stem cells from the jellyfish. Maybe in later years, we can maybe use the stem cells for Turritopsis durii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. Or later we can enhance the colors of the coral, like the glow-in-the-dark animals that scientists have created.
Stem cells are an undifferentiated cell that can be separated to create other offspring cells that continue to be differentiated as stem cells. Such cells in the human body make up tissues and organs. Researchers are taking a huge interest in stem cells as they have the ability to replace damaged and dysfunctional cells and can guide away diseases and disorders like heart disease and diabetes. There are two main types of stem cells: embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. Scientists are currently using one of the two approaches to produce stem cells, to remove them from human embryos or to reprogram adult cells to a stem cell state, named pluripotent induced stem cells, or iPS cells. They do have their drawbacks though. Extracting stem cells from embryos will kill it during the process, and producing iPS cells will take very complex genetic modification choreography. Now we can add that to our suggested concept. We may remove jellyfish stem cells from jellyfish's embryos, or through genetic engineering and converting them into stem cells, where tissues and organs can be regenerated from bleaching coral. Researchers say it has been long assumed that stem cells are immortal. They continue to self-renew, thus generating more stem cells that collectively can outlast an individual's life, said Dr. Mullah Seisberg, a professor in Sanford Berman's Stem Cells and Regenerative Biology program.